Oh, French tacos. Got this one. This looks legit. Yeah, let's try it out. Yeah, I've seen a French tacos place somewhere in a mall, and I think it didn't impress me, but let's try this out. It's the first time seeing that truck. To the Gifu. Oh my god. This is the Algerian sauce, as they say. Pork. Kebab-like. With fries inside. Dang, that is good. That is a good sauce. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, and that meat and pork is so juicy and flavorful. My goodness, this is a wonderful find. If you find this French taco truck here in Gifu, check it out. They also have an Instagram. And it says on there that it's an actual French guy making, so I guess the owner is French. The guy who made this. He seems French. Very good.